I wrote this because when I moved to Oregon, you know, I had a big operation and I had to stay in the hospital a long time, and then I had to lay on my back for months, and I kept looking out the window and all it did was rain. And I found out that it does that in Oregon, about 6 months worth. And so I wrote a song, and this song actually has words. I'll show you the words. They're real simple. It's called, "Please let the sun shine in, the sun shine in, the sun shine in my heart. The sun shine in, the sun shine in. I've grown tired of the rain." That's all the words. But that's where this whole song came from, was I just sat there and stared out the window, and I made this up in my head. And when I got to where I could play guitar again, I played it. So let's see if we can record it. Are we rocking out there? Here I go. You can get a real cool sound. Just put a little change in your pocket, scratch your leg a little bit. It sounds good. Got some high-tech shit going on right there. People are going to think I know what I'm doing. Talk about off the cuff. That's key for Well, leave it just like